celebrating what constitutes the heartbeat of India. Resilience of our people. Economy of champions. Pride of the nation. Unshakable spirit. Boldness in every move. Legacy rich in culture. Investments in each other. Courage that never dies. Nippon India Mutual Fund wishes you a happy 76th Republic Day. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.